watching CU Vibes and I am Mandeep Kaur with a new episode. As we all know that India lost several stalwarts in the year 2020. From the alleged death by the suicide of Sushant Singh Rajput to Irfan Khan, Rishi Kapoor and several others. Many iconic artists left for heavenly abode, leaving a void that will be felt not only by their friends and families but also by millions that their work left an impact on. As we leave 2020 behind and step into new year, let's look back and honor the stars who have left a legacy that will be transcend generations.
Irfan Khan, loved and admired by thousands, passed away on 29th April 2020 from playing a suspicious police officer to a first-generation immigrant in The Namesake. Irfan Khan had the ability to bring to life any character he portrayed on screen. The actor, who had several awards to his name, was suffering from neuroendocrine tumor since 2018 and passed away due to a colon infection in Mumbai. Just days after Irfan Khan's demise, Bollywood lost another legend, Rishi Kapoor. The veteran actor was suffering from leukemia since 2018 and had been receiving treatment in New York. The heartthrob of 90s will be remembered for his multiple roles he played during his lifetime. The first woman choreographer in Bollywood, Saroj Khan, passed away due to cardiac arrest. Bollywood beloved Master Ji choreographed over 200 songs and was the person behind the memorable moves of Shree Devi and Madhuri Dixit in many of their hit songs. Bollywood lost a young and promising actor in Sushant Singh Rajput on 14th June. The actor was found dead in his apartment in Mumbai. After becoming a household name with Ekta Kapoor's TV show Pavitra Rishta in 2009, Sushant made his big screen debut with Kai Po Che and was applauded for his stellar performance in MS Dhoni: The Untold Story. The sudden death of the actor, who seemed to be living every aspiring actor's Bollywood dream, comes as a shock to his fans across the country and beyond.
एक ही गाना गाऊंगा मैं। मन बलवान लागने लागे चट्टान रहे मैदान में आओगे हुड़ हुड़ दबंग 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 हुड़ हुड़ दबंग 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 कट्टू मैं हूँ दबंग 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 मैं हूँ दबंग दबंग दबंग.
Bollywood music director Wajid Khan, who is known for his composition for Wanted, Dabangg and Ek Tha Tiger, breathed his last on 1st June due to complication arising out of the deadly coronavirus.
Coronavirus also claimed lives of two stalwarts of Indian cinema, singer S.P. Balasubramaniam and actor Samrita Chatterjee.
Coronavirus also claimed lives of two artists of Indian cinema, singer S.P. Balasubramaniam and actor Soumitra Chatterjee. The Padma awardee, who was fondly known as SPB, and Balu died on 25th September in Chennai after contracting COVID-19. Bengali cinema legendary actor Soumitra Chatterjee too lost his life after battling COVID-19 on November 15th. Asif Basra, who was known for his performance in Black Friday, Jab We Met and Kai Po Che on 12th November, and Kahani Ghar Ghar Ki actor Sameer Sharma in early August. Veteran actor comedian Jagdeep also passed away on 8th July at the age of 81.
Several top names passed away in the year 2020, leaving their fans to mourn their demise with nothing more but their art to remember by them. That's all for now, but don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you vibes.